Back, Mr. Mani. Do
Yeah.
you need to carry an ID card when you travel by train? Won't a valid ticket be sufficient? Should
No, the
everyone have
need
a-
of the ID card has started because of some reasons. One is, of course, the e-ticket which you print at home. So, to establish your identity, you need to carry an ID card. If you have purchased a Tatkal ticket, you need to carry an ID card because there was some misuse of Tatkal tickets by the agents and touts and so on. Taking tickets in Tatkal and selling off to people at a premium. To contain that, for Tatkal ticket holders and e-ticket holders, an ID is a must. But otherwise, if you have a valid ticket, if you have a regular ticket, you don't need to carry any ID card. No.
Fine. What about senior citizens? Do they have to submit a document to prove that they are seniors?
Not at the time of booking the ticket. Anybody can book a ticket for a senior citizen, but during travel, they must have the ID card, which would give their proof of their age also. They must have that because it would be prone to misuse otherwise. You know, the concession is pretty heavy.
So any ID card, for instance, driving license, where they
Yes,
date of birth
there
is
are
there, or a
different
passport.
defined documents, passports, passport, then as you said, driving license and some other
So where the
IDs.
date of
Yes,
birth is
yes,
there.
yes.
Fine. What about foreign tourists? Are there special facilities for them? Can they pay in dollars?
For foreign tourists, we have separate counters. Sometimes the counter is same as the senior citizens counter, but the queue is much smaller there. So we have separate counters, and they can pay in.
Pass holder has to pay in dollars only. Intrail ticket holders, the
Which, so there are separate counters, and also some limited number of berths, 2, 4, 6 of that range, are reserved for foreign tourists. So for them to get reservation more easily.
Are there any special facilities for them? Any other apart from this special counter?
Yes, as
To
you
help
must
them.
have heard of
In rail.
Indrail Pass, which is for anywhere to anywhere, circular journey. This is for foreign tourists and NRIs. Depending upon it is a pass based on number of days in various labs.
You can
So
travel
you
around
can
the
anywhere to anywhere, and they have to, of course, you have to pay in dollars for that pass.
dollars, whether
Yes.
NRIs or
Or
foreigners.
foreign tourists. Yeah.
What about Palace on Wheels? How is it doing in Karnataka now? Palace on Wheels? What do you call here?
We call, yes, the equivalent of the Palace on Wheels concept is called the Golden Chariot.
Yeah, right.
So, and when it goes to Tamil Nadu, Kerala, it's called the Southern Splendor. It's run by Karnataka Tourism. And the commercial part is handled by Karnataka Tourism. They pay haulage charges to railways. And exact clientele of the train, I won't be able to tell you. But I've heard good things about the train. How well they are doing financially, I won't be able to tell
It's
you.
taking care of the tourism department, Karnataka tourism.
Karnataka Tourism is.
You get the money, that's all.
They pay us for haulage charges and other charges for usage of our track and so on. But the train has been done up by them, and they do the bookings and they take the.
So you don't get to the picture at all.
No, not commercial part.
Good.
Yes.
A parting shot, Mr. Mani. Can someone book a train? Can someone book an entire train? Say, for instance, a company wants to take an entire staff to Chennai from Bangalore for an official function. Can they book a full train? Do you provide an additional train otherwise? Or it has to be the same train what goes every time?
No. You can book an entire train. There's some provision. I think the minimum number of coaches, you have to have a certain minimum number of coaches, perhaps 18. I don't remember that exactly. But that many coaches must be there in the train. You can book an entire train.
It's a special train or a normal train?
It will run like a special train. It will run like on a defined path. We'll tell you what, based on your choice, we'll tell you when it can leave and when it can reach.
Oh, good.
And if you work out, say you take a train to Chennai, you work out the fare for the entire train. What you will pay for the entire train would be slightly higher than that. But we are giving you the privilege of an entire train to you.
So we can book a...
Yes, yes, definitely you can. And I hope Radio Indigo books a train soon to some
Dear
place.
Mr. Mani, many thanks for coming over to the studio and providing us answers to all the questions. Mind you, we have collected these questions from a lot of Bangaloreans. One request, please provide much better amenities at railway station. In fact, please modernize all the stations. Hi listeners, thanks for tuning in. I will be back next week, same day, same time with another issue and with another stakeholder in the hot seat. Please don't forget to send in your questions and suggestions. Have a great week ahead. This is Balram signing off. Thank you so much, sir. It was wonderful.
My pleasure.